But it's also exhilarating to realise that you can just sort of sit and just like check someone out. And
God, this is terrifying. The film is so funny and touches on some like incredible nuances. What was it like for you both when you saw this project and read the script for the first time?
You took it on early, didn't you?
Yeah, I tell you, this idea of a gender switch has, happened in literature and theatre for hundreds and hundreds of years, but it felt like it could be really funny, and also, in a world that doesn't really have much empathy, putting, a asshole who takes a bunch of stuff for granted in somebody else's shoes is kind of eye-opening. So that was the aim.
I mean, you're both brilliant in it, and it's so funny. And
she's a bit better though, let's be honest, because she does two characters.
You do play like the most brilliant, intimidating person, but also the gentlest. What is it like when you have to have such two different characters?
Well, I mean, that's my job, isn't it? It's like, but it's strange because, of course, all those aspects are in you. I mean, you can access all of them. As a woman who's observed the world, you can do both. I love Alex in the real world. I find her very appealing. But of course, it's so delicious to flip it. And as a woman who's lived in the world, to flip it and then suddenly realise that you can do this male behaviour because you've watched it and been the recipient of it your whole life. It's uncomfortable, but it's also exhilarating to realise that you can just sort of sit and just... like check someone out and...
God, this is terrifying.
Right? It's just an attitude. It's like a belief. All I have to do is change my mindset. That's like, it's my right to just...
Gosh, I think I'm going to set on fire.
You see what I mean? And it's... We had a laugh doing stuff because, all you have to do is put your hand somewhere else than you would ever put it as a woman, And suddenly you've got this kind of male aggressive pose going on.
Well, we had that in Damien's family. He goes to the same house twice, and the second time, his sister is farting and grabbing her groin, and the first time I saw, because Rosamund didn't show me her flipped character, and we did this scene, which is a play on Victoria's Secret. It's Victor's Secret, where you have testicle bras, push-up bras, and that kind of thing. And she came in character with this very young, muscular man, and it was amazing. I was like, wow, it's like, it reminded me of every kind of sleazy man. But with the sort of young, and well, this would look good in here.
I mean, it was,
it was a completely flipped, role. It was amazing, actually.
Taking this much younger man into a shop.
It made me upset for you.
Fingering the mesh of this sort of
But I realised
nice
the kind of man you must have seen.
Thinking, I'd like to see you in this later.
You look good in there. It was amazing.
So you went full method from this one then?
Absolutely. No, well, it was just that thing that as a female actor, who you realise, I'm pretty strong and I've been able to stand up for myself. But, to a degree, one has been objectified since being in the film industry from however...
In a Bond movie?
And then to be able to sort of flip it and be able to think, look at and sort of think, okay, well, sit with Fiona Shaw and, think which of the guys we're going to eye up in this bar. I mean, it's funny. I mean, there must have been male actors doing that all the time. Let's get that girl over there. Let's have her sitting near her.
Well, there were so many moments like that in particular.
Sacha's looking uncomfortable. I'm sure that wasn't...
No, I was trying to go back to Borat. It was me sitting underneath a large man's buttocks going, I never really managed to do that,
But, you see some of these cliches in, films, especially back in the day, some of these old Hollywood greats, and the way that you've kind of flipped them now, it kind of really puts perspective on it, and I think it's really cool what you've done.
Thank you.
The cast that you work with on this is also incredible. Tell me, what was it like working with those incredible actors?
We have got a spectacular cast.
Yeah,
We've
they're
got Fiona
amazing.
Shaw, who I mentioned, Charles Dance, Richard E. Grant, Catherine Hunter,
Richie
Opia.
No, they're incredible. I mean, it was amazing. They all came to it. And I'd worked with Charles Dance on the LG movie 20 years ago, and he twerked for me and then refused to work with me for 20 years.
And now he's twerking for me,
exactly.
in his cashmere cardigans.
Things have really changed. Full circle.
He's not actually twerking, but maybe in private.
I mean, we see you two swap characters, almost this roles. If you could swap roles with your previous projects, are you a big fan of each other's previous work before? Is there anything that stands out?
Could I
She's
be
inimitable.
I think I could. Ben Affleck. Give him a run
Very
for his money.
different. I mean, God, when I first saw Ali G, it was just the greatest thing I'd ever seen in my life. I mean, it was just...
Well, thank you very much.
The funniest...
It's a long time ago.
Yeah, don't do self-deprecating. It changed everything. It changed comedy. It was amazing. We couldn't believe it. I remember being glued to what was a very old-fashioned television set. Not to date
Wasn't
you,
that old? Yeah, it's very recent. But yeah, listen, Rosamund is absolutely unbelievable. And you see, whoever watches this, you see her just create two completely believable characters on the opposite ends of the spectrum. And listen, she's winning awards on stage. You know, you got to see her stage show. No, but we were amazingly lucky to have you on this.
Everybody who got to play two characters, really. Yeah. So that was the draw to a lot of people.
Yeah.
Well, not so much Richard, but yes, to go from for the men to go from sort of hole to subservient it's a strange leap, you know, for you to come back into the office and suddenly everyone who's been dominant is now competing on the level of sort of youth and beauty. And, you know, suddenly it's all about tightness and figure form, and a little bit of nipple is, you know, fine. Isn't it? You love a bit of nipple.
There's a bit of nipple out. There's the edge of nipple. There was actually a trend of dresses where the nipple was shown.
For the men.
In the 60s.
Absolutely.
In the 60s.
No, I'm aware. Yeah.
Oh, well, it's been amazing talking to you. I really enjoyed the film, and massive congratulations.
All right, thank you very much.
Nice to meet you both. It's honestly
nice to meet you too.
Thank you.
What are you doing in my office?
What are you talking about? This is my office. Please. Don't laugh at me. What is this? Jesus.
Good Lord, he needs to knock one out.